3.
Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Hodge here, and guess who came to visit? Everett decided to come visit today, or Evie as you guys call him. So today we're going to read a book, and then after the book I have something I want you to do. So this book is called Some Birds. Some Birds. Remember, we just finished studying our bird, all about birds, and so this book is about some birds. The author and illustrator, he wrote the book and the pictures, is Matt Spink. Okay, let's see what happens. Some birds. Today I'm sitting in Evie's room. This is Evie's room. So he wanted me to show you his room. Some birds are big and some birds are small. And some birds are incredibly tall. Look how tall that bird is.
Let me see. Whoa. Oh.
Some birds swoop and some birds squawk. Can you squawk, Evie?
Squawk.
Squawk. Some birds soar high, while others, they just walk.
Why do those birds walk?
Birds like to walk, I guess. They look like they're pheasants.
Yeah.
Some birds waddle. What does that bird look like?
A penguin.
A penguin. And some birds like to hop.
Yeah.
Sorry, these pages are sticking together here. And some birds eat worms until they pop. He ate so many worms, he popped. That's silly. Do you think that really happened, Debbie?
No.
No way. Some birds twitch and some birds tweet.
Like tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. And some birds swim fast with webbed flipper feet. Look at their flipper feet. They're swimming too fast for that page. Some birds flutter and some birds flap. And some birds fly off to other parts of the map. Some birds build nests away from sly cats. Look at the cat ears down here.
Yeah.
Little cat ears.
But why?
He's trying to get to the little cat ears. And some birds make holes with a rat tap, tap, tap.
Like a woodpecker.
Like a woodpecker. But most birds go free.
Let me see. Oh, he unlocked the door.
Evie thinks he unlocked his cage. A much better life, I'm sure you'll agree.
Oh, this I want to see Alice's video. Your video.
So, what I would like, boys and girls, is if you look here on the cover, do you see this bird here?
Yeah.
I would like you guys to go for a walk tomorrow and find a bird. Look at him. He's not going to have all of these beautiful colors, but then come back inside and draw a beautiful bird and make patterns and shapes in your birds. Remember we talked about different shapes? I see some rectangles, some squares. What are these, Evie? Some triangles. There's even, all the way for the friends. Some ovals and some circles. So make a beautiful pattern on your bird after you draw him and then share them on our page tomorrow. So today you can do this or tomorrow. I am going to do one more book tonight before I go to sleep. Agnes and I have something fun to do and then we'll post it. But then Miss Hodge is going to go take a little trip for a few days and then we'll be back. So if you don't see me for a couple days, it's okay. I'm good and we're all good. and then we'll be back to post some more. So, do your bird thing, and then Agnes and I, Everett is being very silly right now. Agnes and I will post something else for you to see tomorrow. So, goodbye, boys and girls, and I can't wait to see all of your birds.
Let's see the video.